Blockchain technology has emerged as a transformative force in the digital world, capturing the imagination of technologists, entrepreneurs, and innovators across various industries. As the foundation of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, blockchain initially gained recognition, but its applications have since expanded far beyond the realm of digital currencies. With its promise of decentralization, transparency, and security, blockchain is reshaping the way we store and manage data, conduct transactions, and build trust in the digital age. In this exploration, we'll delve into the world of blockchain, unraveling its core concepts, potential applications, and the challenges it faces. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a curious newcomer, or a business professional, understanding blockchain is essential in today's rapidly evolving digital landscape. Blockchain, often touted as a revolutionary technology, is like the new kid on the digital block. But what is it, and why has it been making waves in various industries? In this friendly exploration, we'll demystify blockchain, providing a clear understanding of its core concepts and potential. At its heart, a blockchain is a distributed digital ledger. Imagine it as a public, tamper-proof record book that's accessible to everyone in a network. This ledger, however, isn't confined to one location or controlled by a single entity. It's decentralized, existing on multiple computers, or nodes, all over the world. This decentralization ensures transparency and security, making it challenging for any single entity to manipulate the system. In the context of blockchain, information is grouped into blocks. Each block contains a collection of data, such as transactions or records. Once a block is filled, it's linked, or chained, to the previous block using a cryptographic seal, forming a chronological sequence. This chain of blocks is where the term blockchain originates. Cryptography plays a crucial role in securing the information on the blockchain. Each block is sealed with a unique code, generated through complex mathematical algorithms. This seal, known as a hash, ensures that the data within the block remains unchanged. Even the slightest alteration in the data would require recalculating the hash, an immensely difficult task. This inherent security has earned blockchain its reputation for being tamper-proof. One of the most significant aspects of blockchain is its decentralization. Traditional databases rely on a central authority to validate and record transactions. In contrast, blockchain operates on a peer-to-peer network, with no single entity in control. Instead, all participants in the network, or nodes, work together to validate and record transactions. Because blockchain is visible to anyone in the network, it promotes transparency. Every transaction, once added to the blockchain, becomes a permanent part of the public record. This transparency fosters trust among users, as they can independently verify transactions without relying on intermediaries. Once data is added to a block and validated on the blockchain, it's exceedingly challenging to alter or erase. This immutability is a powerful feature, especially in applications like finance and supply chain management, where historical records need to remain unaltered and reliable. Blockchain's capabilities go beyond simple record keeping. Enter smart contracts, which are self-executing agreements with predefined rules and consequences. These contracts automatically execute when the conditions specified within them are met. They eliminate the need for intermediaries in contractual agreements, reducing costs and minimizing the risk of disputes. Blockchain technology has found applications in various fields, and its potential continues to expand. Let's explore some areas where blockchain is making a significant impact. Blockchain became famous as the underlying technology of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Here, blockchain records and verifies every transaction, ensuring the integrity and security of digital currencies. It has introduced a new era of decentralized, digital finance, changing how we perceive and use money. Blockchain's transparency and immutability are invaluable in supply chain management. It enables the tracking of products from their source to their final destination. This ensures product authenticity and can help reduce fraud and improve the efficiency of supply chains. In healthcare, patient data can be securely stored and shared among authorized entities. Patients have control over their data, and healthcare providers can access it quickly and accurately. This has the potential to improve patient care and data security. Blockchain offers a secure platform for electronic voting systems. It can help ensure that votes are counted accurately and results can be independently verified. This has the potential to enhance the integrity of elections. Blockchain can revolutionize the real estate industry by streamlining property transactions. It can reduce fraud, increase transparency, and simplify the process of property ownership transfer. Blockchain facilitates faster, more cost-effective cross-border transactions. It eliminates the need for intermediaries, reducing fees and transaction times. Protecting intellectual property is crucial in the digital age. Blockchain offers a way to establish ownership and copyright of digital assets, making it harder for others to steal or infringe upon intellectual property. While blockchain offers numerous advantages, it's not without its challenges and concerns. Blockchain networks can face issues with scalability, as the size of the network and the number of transactions grow. Some blockchains are working on solutions to improve scalability. Some blockchains, particularly those using proof of work, POW, consensus algorithms, can consume a significant amount of energy. This has raised concerns about their environmental impact. As blockchain technology evolves, legal and regulatory frameworks are still catching up. Uncertainty about how blockchain transactions fit within existing legal structures can be a hurdle. While blockchain provides transparency, it also raises privacy concerns. Striking the right balance between transparency and privacy is an ongoing challenge. Blockchain technology is continuously evolving. With each passing day, new innovations are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It holds the promise of transforming industries, streamlining processes, and enhancing security and trust. As more people and organizations adopt blockchain, its potential continues to grow. In summary, blockchain is a revolutionary technology that provides a decentralized, secure, and transparent way to record and verify information. Its impact extends beyond cryptocurrencies, finding applications in supply chain management, healthcare, voting systems, real estate, cross-border payments, and more. While there are challenges to overcome, the future of blockchain looks promising, and it has the potential to reshape various aspects of our lives in a positive way.